I'm always looking at new opportunities, new exciting technologies, and most importantly, implementing technologies that really drive change in a person's life.
One of the things, if you've looked at technology being implemented in healthcare through the years, it really hasn't been done in a way that really adapts, that really molds to the clinical experience.
We've been deploying a product called Convergence, and this is a new product we've been developing here at the Technology Development Center that really brings the patient's story to life.
In the older systems, I would sit down with a team and spend inordinate amounts of time just sort of getting all the data together. With Convergence, I could simply grab a Microsoft Surface and we could walk to the patient's room. And while we're walking, we could consume this data and create a care plan, not only outside the patient's room, but then take the device into the patient's room, sit down with a patient and talk about where we were going and why we were doing the things that we were doing. If I ever do need to create content and swipe into one of the older record systems, I can just swipe back in and it's automatically contextualized to the right patient and the right place in the record system.
I envision a future in healthcare where clinicians don't need to play the role of a detective anymore, where they're able to interact seamlessly with their legacy set of solutions, the lab systems, the radiology systems, so that I as a clinician can really focus on the patient that's in front of me.
There's always commentary about the keyboard or the size or the thickness or the weight or the way in which it works. We've committed to roll out 2,000 Surface Pro 3s over the next 12 months. I actually hope it takes the issue of the device out of the equation. It just works. If I was in a different job at a different organization that wasn't healthcare, I wouldn't have the opportunity to develop a technology that actually impacts, and that's very important to me in what I do, that I do meaningful work.